Welcome everyone, Dr. Thor here with some more exciting treasures from the archives. What we have here is a very interesting, and I'm going to be showing next is all my little Ouija board collection. Most of it's modern, but they are unique. And we're going to talk about these unique designs. And part of that is this one I'm not sure. I think this is supposed to go back to the 40s, but I don't know if it's a reproduction or not. It's a quite cool board, you know. When you get into these Swamis and stuff, this is when they were very big, from the 20s and 30s, where they had kind of Swami types, and even an old radio, the Shadow, learned from in the Himalayas somewhere or something. But we can see this pretty interesting one. It says Swami Mystery Talking Board. And there are just literally many, there's probably hundreds of Ouija type boards, and they're called talking boards. I don't know if Ouija is an actual trademark or not, which of course is still being made, and you can see the one on the glowing Ouija board, which is kind of a cool. Hasbro still makes them. Still, I guess, owns the term Ouija. And this is quite a cool one. I like the old style ones in terms of their kind of appeal. And pretty much Ouija boards are all the same. Let me see if I can get this standing back up again. You have your typical yes. Now above here they have the zodiac signs. They have the face, I should say the sun, I believe that's supposed to be, and the moon, which is very typical. I can, no, and of course the zodiacs. Here's a girl on a flying carpet. You've got the genie kind of in the center. Here's the kind of genie on a flying carpet, kind of cool. It says hello at the bottom. It says goodbye over here. It says bad. You can see that there. Turn this down a little. It says bad. Reception. Reception good. And of course the Aladdin's lamp in the center there. This has a typical type board on the back. I don't know if this is typical from the 40s or 30s or not. This is kind of typical, kind of thick cardboard that you can get anywhere. I don't know if that was preferable back then or not. But I'm building a spirit Ouija board tower that's going to have multiple boards to draw spirits in and for strong contact. And I've also got signatures of famous people and everything else. Watch that develop in the coming months. That's going to be one of the coolest things ever made. And we may even offer a couple to the public. I don't know. It's an awful lot of work, and I have limited time. So you have the usual, and of course you have the alphabet as usual, as you see on here. And of course underneath that is 1 to 10 as usual. So it's got a very typical Ouija board setup. This is one of those cool ones, and I have many more to come, and of course I'll let you know about the Ouija board tower soon to come. Until next time, people.